If you want to apply for employee retention credits, then there are a few steps to take into consideration. I'm going to go through all of these steps. So without further ado, let's climb straight in. The first thing that we need to consider is the eligibility. So the first step involves ensuring that your business actually meets the eligibility criteria, such as significant revenue decline or being subject to government orders affecting operations. This involves a thorough review of your financial records and your operational impacts. Also, the next thing would be then to gather all of your required documents. You need to collect all the necessary documents, including your payroll reports, financial statements, proof of government orders impacting your operations, and then accurate and comprehensive documentation is key for a successful application. So just keep that in mind. You then need to calculate the ERC credit. So calculating the credit involves determining the eligible wages and applying the appropriate credit rate per employee. This step requires careful accounting, and you need to ensure that there's accuracy as well as compliance. You need to file a Form 941, and this is for quarterly credits. Businesses use this form to report ERC claims, and it needs to be completed accurately and submitted on time to avoid any delays or penalties. The next thing is the Form 7200. So this is for advance payments. So advance payments of the ERC, for this, businesses must file this form. That's the 7200. This allows for quicker access to funds, but requires more careful tracking of received payments to avoid any overpayment issues. The next thing you can always do is engage with a tax professional. This can be more beneficial for navigating the complexities and ensuring compliance with all IRS regulations and making sure that, quite plainly, it gets done properly. So applying for the employee retention credit requires meticulous preparation and compliance with the IRS regulations and their guidelines. Of course, this will be challenging, but if you need to have it done, there are professionals that can help you do this properly. If this was helpful, go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time.